The correct dimensions of pressure and density are, we have these options. The keywords in this problem are dimensions, pressure, and density. Now, pressure and density come from a branch of physics called mechanics. And in mechanics, there are three fundamental units. These are mass, length, and time. The unit for mass is kg. Unit for length is meters, that's standard units. And unit for time is seconds. Now, dimensions is a way of representing these units with special letters. And the dimension for mass is capital letter M. Dimension for length is capital letter L. And dimensional representation for time is capital letter T. So, our question, the correct dimensions of pressure and density are. So, what's pressure? Pressure is defined as force per unit area. And force, we can define force as mass times acceleration. And then area of that's length times length, that's meter squared, that's the unit for area. So if we represent these quantities in units, force, mass times acceleration will be kg, mass times acceleration, meters per second square, times or divided by area, which is going to be meter squared. So let's evaluate, like we're doing arithmetic. This m here, we can't take out one m, so we'll be left with kg all over s squared m. And so when we resolve here, when we get to this stage, we now substitute this dimensional representation of the units back into those units, right? So we have kg as m, s squared represented by t squared, and then m, l, right? So we have representing pressure in dimensions is m L minus 1 t raised to the power minus 2, right? And then the next unit is density. Density is defined as mass per unit volume. And so mass is kg, kilograms, and volume is meter cube. And when we resolve we resolve this quantity in its fundamental units, to represent it in dimensions, we just substitute kg, mass, big M, and then volume, length, big L, raised to the power 3. So density in dimensions is represented by ml minus raised to the power minus 3. So these are the representations of pressure and density in dimensions, and that leaves our answer to be A.